Hello dear students, welcome to my channel The Tilak Tutorials. I hope you are all fit and fine. Today I am here to discuss about a very important section of grammar, which is sentence. So if you want to speak English fluently, then it is compulsory to learn a sentence. Okay, so today I will discuss about the definition of a sentence and its types. Okay, so let's start the class. In the beginning, we will discuss about the definition of a sentence. Definition. Okay, in the beginning we will discuss about the definition of a sentence. What is the definition of a sentence? A sentence is a group of words. A sentence is a group of words. Okay, group of words or set of words combined together to express a complete sense of the speaker. A sentence is a group of words combined together to express a complete sense of the speaker. Okay, a sentence must contain sentence must contains a subject and a verb. Okay, a sentence must contains a subject and a verb. Okay, example: Rahul plays with his friends. Rahul plays with his friends. So Rahul is the subject and plays is the verb. Okay, and the rest of the sentence, that means this part, is called predicate. Okay, predicate means after subject okay, the rest of the sentence is called predicate. Okay, a sentence must contains a subject and a verb. Example: Rahul plays with his friends. Rahul is the subject, plays is the verb, and the rest of the sentence is called predicate. Okay, after subject, the rest of the sentence is called predicate. Next we are going to discuss about the types of sentence. Okay, types of sentence. Okay, types of sentence. Okay, so there are 5 types of sentence in English grammar. There are 5 types of sentence in English grammar. They are okay, they are: number 1, assertive sentence. Okay, number 2, assertive sentence. Number 2, interrogative. Number 3 is imperative sentence. Number 3 is imperative sentence. Number 4 is optative. And number 5, the last one, is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. Okay, so there are 5 types of sentence in English grammar, and there are 5 types of sentence in English grammar. Number 1, assertive sentence. Number 2 is interrogative sentence. Number 3 is imperative sentence. Number 4 is optative sentence, and number 5 is exclamatory sentence. Okay, then assertive sentence means statements. Okay, interrogative sentence means questions. Interrogative sentence means questions. Okay, imperative sentence means order, request, and advice. Order, request, and advice. Optative sentence means wish and prayer. Exclamatory sentence means sudden exclamation of mind. Sudden exclamation of mind. Okay, assertive sentence means statements. Interrogative sentence means questions. Imperative sentence means order, request, and advice. Optative sentence means wish and prayer. Exclamatory sentence means sudden exclamation of mind. Okay, expressed by some specific interjection. Okay, now you have to know that each sentence has 2 forms. Each sentence has 2 forms. Okay, number 1 is affirmative. Number 1 is affirmative. Affirmative means positive. That means denoting positive sense. And number 2 is negative. Negative. Okay, denoting negative sense. Affirmative means positive, denoting positive sense, and negative denoting negative sense. Okay, so this is all about a sentence. I have discussed here the definition of a sentence and its types. Okay, now I think it will help you to understand each sentence more clearly. I will discuss each type of sentence in detail in the next class. Okay, so if you like this class, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.